At our Amway packaging plant in Ada, Michigan, experts and technicians work together to produce our own bottles and canisters for nutrition and personal care products.
Plastics come in a pellet form. They are blended in a blender, they are heated, and they are compressed, and that changes it from the solid form to a molten form.
Custom design molds allow us to produce packaging in the ideal sizes and shapes for each product.
They blow it in the shape of the mold. From there, it goes over and it cools. The molds are conveyed down the line. We package them. They go to Nutrilite, Satinique, and G&H.
Once the products are filled, they're distributed from our plants here in Ada to our customers across the globe.